Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 19th lesson and our lesson topic is YouTube outro with CapCut. So in this video, you'll be learning about how to create the end video for your particular YouTube video. So now let's go over to the CapCut web-based application and use some templates from there and create our particular outro from that. After coming over to the CapCut, you'll have this interface, and now let's go and create our particular outro. So let's write for YouTube outro and then let's click on this one. It will just take some time to load. You will have lots of templates over here for the YouTube outro. So you can see here YouTube outro. You can just use this one, or here you can see particularly for travel, game, then thanks for watching, that also you can just make. Then this one, in our previous video you just saw we make with this one intro, or you can create with this one also. If you are having a travel vlog, anything you can just create. So I'm going to create a simple one. So now let's go and click on this. Let's preview this one first by going over here, hovering our mouse, and then it will just come. Or else we can just select this particular one. But I want to show our particular logo on our particular video. Let's try to select this one. This one is nice. We'll use this gaming one only, but we'll use for a random video. So let's click on this one. So in preview, you can see there is a subscribe button also. So you no need to customize more. You can just put your particular image and change the name, and then done for you. Now here you can see this one we don't want. We'll just delete this particular part. And then let's play this one. So if you play, then only we'll be able to know how our particular outro will look. So now let's go and put this particular image over here. For this one, nothing. Here let's change the text. Here we'll just use Color Studio. And then done. Now you can just add more stickers if you want. If you don't want to add, then it's okay. Let's cut this one and let's click on download, because we'll be needing this particular video for our coming project. Now let's download this one, and it will take some time to download, and then afterwards you can just put it wherever you want. So I hope you all just understand about this class. If you're having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.